Guys, good evening all. I shared my screen. Uh, I hope everyone can see my screen, right? Can one please confirm?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, nice. So the last session, I was discussing about the introduction of a DBMS, why we go for a DBMS, and before it, I have explained the different type of data storages through a programming language. So basically through C or CPP, Java or .NET. You can generally store the data in variables and objects, but they're all, temporarily, right? And if you want to store the data permanently, what we can refer? Guys, what we have to refer?
Database.
No, files, right?
Sir.
Through programming, correct? Right? Files. And files can store the data permanently, as I explained yesterday, right? But again, still some challenges will be there with the file. So what are the challenges with the files, guys? I just want to hear one by one. Yeah, guys, what are the challenges?
Duplication
Correct.
is
So
allowed.
yeah, duplication will be allowed. What else?
Empty data is allowed.
Null values.
Right. Empty data, null values are allowed. Next,
No
Metadata
recovery
cannot be
and no
maintained.
security.
correct. Metadata, cannot be maintained. Okay. Next.
No recovery.
No recovery, no security.
Nice. No recovery and no security. Right. Next.
Retrieval and updation of specific data is difficult.
Right. So retrieval and modification is very difficult in terms of a notepad file. Next.
Huge amount of
Huge
data cannot be
amount of
maintained.
data cannot be
Huge
maintained.
amount of data cannot be maintained.
Right. Absolutely correct. Next.
Cannot
Cannot
Data
Store the
storage.
unstructured
unstructured
data.
data.
Correct. Cannot store, unstructured. Remember unstructured?
Binary data.
Unordered data.
videos, photos.
Right. So the audios, videos, everything we consider as, the binary data. I think someone said nice, the word. Okay. Next, unstructured data, we cannot store it. What else?
Relationship cannot be maintained.
Relationship cannot be maintained by files.
Correct. So relationship, cannot be maintained. So to overcome this all challenges, right? I'm not sure how many of you go through the last class notes. This is the last class notes. I think this is what I was talking about. Basically, permanent data storage will be files. So these are the challenge with the files. I think I covered all. Right. I think I covered all these points. Okay, and then to resolve them, yeah, we'll be going for databases. So today's session is about again more fundamental concept I'll be explaining today as part of the databases. Sir, I want database installation link. Hey, I'll be sharing it, guys. No worry. Okay, I'll be sharing. Okay. So these are the challenges. Okay. Now, guys, today I was planning these things to you. What is table? What is database? What is database? What is DBMS? And yeah, in future sessions, you'll be learning what is different between DBMS and RDBMS, and there's a ORDBMS. Okay, that all you'll be learning it. Okay, and also I'll be at the end, guys. I'll be showing you this structured query language also. Okay, so before I want to proceed. I'm sending one link. Okay, I'm sending link to everyone. Please try access this link from your laptop. Let me know whether you are able to access it or not. You can try quickly. It's Oracle, the old version I was sending. We have Oracle 20 above versions also. But yeah, they will take, a lot of memory in your machine. And the whatever the software have sent you, it's very lightweight. Okay, very lightweight. Yeah, that's the reason I was sending you this. Maybe you have a question here. So if you practice the queries in the 10 version, okay, so if companies are not using this 10, they are using 21, 22, so will it be a impact us? No, guys, there's no much impact. Slider, the syntax changes will be there. That is also I'll be addressing at the end of these sessions, okay? So, but yeah, we'll be practicing on this lightweight version Oracle 10, okay? And 90% syntaxes will be same. Please confirm, are you able to access the link? I could see your messages, chats. Can I get some thumbs up symbols Guys, able to access it? Okay, nice. What you do now, just click on download, okay, and you'll get this message. The drive, can't scan the file and virus. Yeah, no worry. You can click on download anyway. Okay, once you download, guys, you can see, a zip file, guys. You can see this is a RAR. RAR means a zip file, guys. It's a compressed file. Whatever I've sent you, it's a compressed file. Okay, let me click on this download anyway. So yeah, it will be downloading. It will take around 188 MB data will be there. Guys, please don't do installation by your own. Okay, because I'll be sending you the installation guide, and anyhow I'll be showing you in my machine today. Just follow the steps. Okay, because from tomorrow onwards you are not supposed to stuck anywhere. Okay, you're not supposed to stuck anywhere to practice the programs. And one more heads up, those who already have some database related in your machines, please make a note. Again, please don't ask the same questions. Okay, maybe you have a doubt, sir. In my machine, already have Oracle 20 or 21. Yeah, guys, if you already have Oracle 20 or 21, what I suggest you do is uninstall it. Okay, uninstall it and restart the machine and try installing this new one. That is the first suggestion I can tell you. Okay, because I know this kind of questions definitely will come from you guys. And the next step is, sir, I have a MySQL in my machine. Okay, during my project creation. Okay, in my BTech. Or sir, I have a PostgreSQL. So yeah, what will be the steps? If you have already MySQL, if you already have a Postgres, and downloading this Oracle will not affect you. Happily, you can download and install. Okay. I'm sure these questions I'll get. That's the reason, I was in front, I was explaining this everything. So please don't shoot out these questions again. Okay. Sir, I'll share my screen. Will you do on this? That's also I can do it, ma. That's a problem for me, Sushmita. But let me check in my machine. This is my new laptop. Let me double check whether I have this installed or not. Let me check. Let me double check my bit. Let me double check. O letter. Oh, it's not there. Then yeah, guys, you can see the installation on my machine from scratch. Okay. Guys, you're clear, right? Whatever the points I highlighted you. The first thing is, sir, if I already have a Oracle higher version, what should I do? Better uninstall it. Okay, because we'll be practicing on very lightweight software that is Oracle 10G. The next one is, sir, I have some other softwares like MySQL or Postgres. Can I use it? Yes. Better you can install Oracle even though you have a MySQL and Postgres. That does not impact here. Okay. So I think that's all here, everyone. So guys, I'll be showing you the installation next 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Then I'll come back and I'll explain this everything to you. Okay. So we'll start the installation process. As I explained, I downloaded not .exe. It's a zip file. Okay. It's a zip file. In your machine, you already have some extract softwares, I believe. If not, I'll suggest you download this, guys. I suggest to download this 7-zip. Okay. And yeah, we can use WinRAR. Okay. Or you can use, this 7-zip also. 7-zip. Wait, I think this is a link, guys. Don't click on this link, please. Click on this 7-zip. Okay. Open it. It's a very small software. This is a window you can see. And yeah, I'm using Windows 64-bit. Okay. And just click on download. It's a very small file, guys. Yeah, less than 2 MB file it is. I'll repeat, whatever the software we downloaded Oracle, that's a zip file. To extract it, we need one more software. That is, the zip file. This is, the 7-zip. Okay, please don't get confused, guys. Now, first, I was installing the 7-zip. Okay, just double click on it. Okay, yeah, just install it. It will take less than 2 seconds. That's it. My installation was done. Okay, please don't do along with me now. Please don't do it. You can watch the video and you can complete it. And if any issues, yeah, you can ask me tomorrow. Okay. So guys, I am done with the 7-zip installation. Now go to the downloads. Okay, downloads, and here you can see a RAR file. I hope everyone able to see this. It's a RAR, nothing but it's a zip file. Okay, right click, don't double click blindly. I know few people will do it. Don't blindly double click it. Okay, and if you already have a WinRAR, you can extract it. This is step number 1. If you already have this option, step 2, yeah, you can click on this extract all, and you can also do the installation. Anything is fine. Okay, but as I just now installed, 7-zip, right? Better you can download the 7-zip and install it. In future also it will work for you. And now go to show more options. Okay, and here guys you can see 7-zip option, and here guys you can see something extract files. The same thing you can do WinRAR also. Okay, choice is yours. Either you can use WinRAR or 7-zip. Choice is yours. So I'll be selecting the 7-zip extract here. Once it is done, you'll get a folder, guys. So once the folder is created, it is created, somewhere else in the same folder. Don't panic. The folder is created. I mean the extracted folder, but it is there somewhere else in the, in the same folder downloads. Just type O letter. Okay. Just type O letter. You will get it. See, this is the folder I was talking about. Okay. Open that folder. This is your software, guys, actually. I know those who are from non-CC background, you'll struggle here. That's the reason I took some 5 minutes to explain this. Okay, I don't want to hear any, hurdles tomorrow. So I have not at least extracted the software. I don't want to hear it. Okay, that's the reason, I was explaining this. Okay, guys, this is a software. Please don't double click. Okay, never ever double click. Okay, just right click. You have an option run as administrator. I know people will do blindly double click, but don't do it. Just run as administrator. Okay. There's a step number 1. Guys, a step number 1, and you will get some prompt and user account control. Click on yes. Okay. Click on yes. Yeah. This page will be landed. Guys, Oracle 10G is very old. I was in front, I was telling. Now we have Oracle 21C, 22C also. I remember. But practicing in this Oracle 10G, yeah, then this is not a bad idea. It's a good idea only because it will take very less system memory. But sir, I really want to practice on Oracle 21. Yeah, this is up to your choice, guys, because it will take a lot of memory. Okay. Yeah. So let it be done. If you have a good RAM, it won't take this much of time. Right. This is the first window. And guys, this is a guide also I was sending to you today. This is a guide. Okay. If you go to this guide, you can see the steps, whatever I'm explaining. See, right click, run as administrator. And next page, you can see this. Okay. Like this, in each and every page I have explained it. You're not supposed to worry about it. Okay. So yeah, I think I'm in a first window. Wait, yeah, this is a first window. Blindly click on next. Okay. And here accept the license agreement. Okay. And next window, don't change the destination location. Keep it as it is. Click on next. And here, yeah, this window, this window, maybe I can explain you after my basic setup was done. So let's keep this window. I can explain you this window a little later. Let's park this window here. And let's park this window here. I think it's no good. Maybe you can keep this window as this. Later I can explain you this. Okay, fine. Guys, do you remember yesterday I have explained there is no kind of security is provided if it is a notepad file. Hope you recall. But here there's a security is given. Okay, so this is something, authentication. So in the authentication, if you see some bullet points, I can explain. There's some bullet points I can explain. You are installing Oracle 10G. This is everyone clear. Okay. And what is Oracle everything? You don't know. I know it. Okay. After this installation, I'll explain the things from scratch. No worries. Okay. Yeah. So you're installing Oracle 10G. But before this, guys, if you buy a laptop, this is simply a hardware, correct? Okay. Now what you will do? You will take this laptop and definitely this laptop is given to the OS installation guy, correct? I think everyone do this, right? So you'll take this laptop to OS installation guy. So what that person will do, he will install Windows 11 or whatever it is, and he will install it, correct? But during the installation, guys, during this installation process, this is very important. Okay, during installation, by default, one admin account will be there. Okay, one admin account will be there. Okay, and for this, maybe he can set some password 1234. If this is an admin account. Now later, what he will do? He will ask you, hey, how many accounts you need it? He will ask you guys. The one who are installing, he will ask you. So by default, an admin account is there, and you can take this admin account. Let's say if you say, hey, I have my brother also. Okay, I have my brother also. My brother also, can you create one more account? Yeah. So what he will do, he'll create one more account with the name something, Abhi. Okay, with the name something, Abhi, and he will give something, some password is some 1234 again. Okay, or 123456. Now, in this laptop, two accounts is created, correct? The pink color one was admin account. By default, one account will be created. That is, admin account. And next, you asked to create one more account, nothing but, we called it this a guest account. Okay, you can get a number of guests, guys, like Abhi, whatever it is. Like you have for father, you can create one more account. For mother, you can create one more account, but admin account will be there only one. So he asked him to create a guest account, and the guest account name is Abhi, and the password is 123456. Now, whenever you use the laptop, you log in with this. Whenever your brother using it, yeah, he will log in with this. Up to here, clear, everyone? Please confirm quick or just acknowledge quick. I'm waiting for your thumbs up. Quick. Nice. Chalo. Now let's talk about this story. Sir, why this story you have explained it? Yeah, I'm coming to that point now. Okay. Now, guys, whenever you installing Oracle, okay, whenever you installing Oracle, two default databases were created. Two default databases created. Like pink color, I was matching it. Okay. The first account is system, second account is sys. Two default account will be created. Like admin, two default account will be created. One is name is system, second one is sys. I think this is clear. Next, what they are asking? Array, enter and confirm your passwords. Yes. I'll be giving the password, guys, ROOT. Please use the same password for everyone. Sir, can I give my name? Yes. Sir, can I give pet name? Yes. But if you forgot, don't ask me, sir, how to reset it. Okay, we can give anything. If you forgot, that's a problematic actually. Okay, so better always give this password, guys. ROOT, and one more also time you can give ROOT for confirming the password. So simply what you're doing here on a high level, yeah, I'll be giving the same password. So guys, on high level, what you're doing, you're installing Oracle. During installation, it is asking you to give a password for the admin databases. Two admin databases are there. One is system and one is sys. So given a password is root. And if you read the note, anyone unmute and please read the note. I want to hear the voice. Anyone?
You should use the system.
Anyone, please.
You should use the system.
Hmm.
You should use the system user along with the password. You enter here to log in to the database home page after the install is complete.
Yeah, thanks, Bhavana. So this is just a English. I think everyone understood. Okay. So what it's saying, array, your installation is done. Once your installation is done, a login page will be open. In that login, you have to give the system is a username and the password that you're entering here. That's what they're telling. Don't blindly do anything here. Okay. Right. So I'm closing this all drawings. I hope you're clear what this window is doing. Now click on next. Thing. Where is that my original window? Is it not my original window? Okay. Yeah, click on next. Guys, once you click on next, you can see this window. And here I think you need not to notice all, but you can remember this port number 8080 and 1521. 1521 is a port number you will be using for JDBC connections. 8080 port number you're using for browser. I know you don't know this all, but make a note. Two port numbers are there. Click on install. Yeah. So guys, my installation is progress. And a small note here, during installation, a pop-up you can see the .NET Framework 3.5 installation is required. So if the pop-up will show you, and better you can connect your laptop with the internet and click on just download once. Just click on download once because the pop-up you can see more than 10 times. Don't click on 10 times, just click on only one time download, and that will do at background guys. Okay, and again you may ask, sir, is it mandatory for this Oracle installation? Yeah, guys, for some machines, it definitely will ask you. So better you can click on download only once. Yeah, guys, this way it will ask you. I told you, no, this pop-up you may get, multiple times. So don't panic it. Just click on download and install this feature only once. Only once click on it and leave that window. Leave that window. And if you do Alt tab, okay, if you do Alt tab, you'll be back to your main installation window. This is your installation window. It will take few seconds to you to finish it. Okay, and I think just now Bhavna read one statement, right? Once your installation is done, immediately one browser will be open, guys. Browser will be open, and in the browser, you have to give the username and password, and then just you need to click on connect. So that's how we will confirming that our installation is done successfully. Okay, I think yeah, it won't take more maybe 1 minute. Yeah, but yeah, I think it's almost done. Again, guys, this window won't appear to you, so don't panic. Just click on all tab. I'm sure you can see this window. Yeah, this is the window, guys, I'm talking about. Yeah, so my installation was done. As soon as you click on finish, a browser automatically open to you. Okay, and as I explained just now, the port number is 8080. Okay, and yeah, so yeah, guys, what is the username I have to give? Hey, what is the username I have to give it? I already discussed this. I think Bhavana, you read it, right? I think, can anyone please tell me, guys, what is the username I have to give it here?
Root.
No, ma. Username is system.
System.
There are two default databases they are given. No, one is system and sys. But in the note, if you see, they are asking to use system only. What is the password I have to give?
Root.
Right, small root, small root. Everything is small letter, guys. You can check it. Okay, click on login. Yeah, guys, once you click on login, you will be landing onto this home page. And on the top right left side, if you see, your user is system. Okay, and yeah, now you're not worry about this, all the icons and all. This indicate that your installation is done successfully. Okay, and just click on logout. Just click on logout. Yeah, guys, your installation was done. And this is the PDF I will be sending to you. This window has everything. This window has everything, whatever I have explained. So that's it, guys. The installation process. I think everyone clear on this. I know you people are not done along with me now. Please watch the video and finish it. Okay. If you want to, if you don't want to take much time, guys, just 1 minute. I was getting a call. Just 1 minute, please. Uh, Sorry, guys, I'm back. I don't think what I was saying. Okay, I think we are done with the installation. Okay, right. I see the background, this windows will be run, guys. So you need not to panic about it. So after some time it will close. Okay, for some time it will be closed. So all good, the installation process, guys. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. And if you want to finish in within 5 minutes, just go through that document which I'm sending it to you today and finish it within 5 minutes. So you don't have to spend around 30 minutes for only installation process. Okay. Okay then, and I'll be sending this link also along with the class notes if anyone missed it. Okay. So guys, yeah, let's jump into the very fundamental concept. What is table? What is database server? Everything practically. And here, guys, you will come to know what is the software we installed it. Okay. In this context, you'll come to know. Okay. So let's start the things from scratch. So I'll be opening a Amazon portal. Amazon portal. Yeah. I think let me do sign out. Let me click on create account button. Oh, I think I could see a different button because earlier we don't have this screen to create that account. Okay. Oh, it is showing business. Why it is showing business? Why it's not showing for individual? Wait. Oh, for create account also, I think they changed the screen and now they are asking only mobile number or email. But but earlier, guys, Amazon, you can see, guys, this kind of screens only. Okay, this is a screen, guys. And I think this is you're clear, right? If this is a window, okay, if this is a window, and this window is definitely developed by UI technologies, kind of Angular or React. Are you clear this? Please confirm.
Yes,
Guys, if
sir.
you want to create these forms, definitely we have to use either Angular or React or Vue.js. Okay, so now see, guys, totally how many fields we have to fill? Totally 4 fields we have to fill it, right? Username, mobile number, or email, password, and re-enter password. 4 fields you have to enter it. Let's take a use case. Myself, I don't have an Amazon account. Okay, myself, I don't have any Amazon account. Bhagyalakshmi, can you go mute? Thank you. So myself, I don't have an account. Then my details goes, this way, right? So my name is Chanti. Okay, I given, my name is Chanti. And the mobile number I given this. Okay, and mobile number I given this. And yeah, guys, even if you give any passwords, as it is the passwords is won't be storing into the databases, guys. Okay, let's say my password is Apple. Okay, let's say my password is Apple. The Apple password won't be saved into the database, guys. Definitely it will be encrypted and stored into this format. This is my details, right? This is my details. Let's say my brother also don't have an account and he's also started creating it, right? So then maybe this is a phone number and let's assume he given something, some other, password. Okay, other password. Again, that will be encrypted and stored into this format. Okay. It means, guys, I hope you guys are following. If you fill this data and when you click on continue, your details are treating as a row here. Your details are treating as a row here. Every user detail is treating as in one row. Up to here clear? Please confirm.
Sir.
Okay. Now yesterday we discussed, right? Chanti is a data. 984909849 is a phone number. Sorry, it's also a data. Chanti is a data, but what is the metadata I can give for this? What is the metadata I can give for this?
Name.
Nice, nice. I can give name, right? And what about this?
Mobile
Mobile
number.
number.
Right, mobile number, or you can say this way also, phone, or email. Yeah, this way you can give it. Next.
Password.
Passport.
Nice, nice. So you can give something, password. Guys, this is data, and yesterday I explained it. This is a metadata. But when it comes to the programming, guys, when it is come to the programming, this metadata we have to call it as something, columns. So this is considered as a column, and this is a considered as one more column, and this is something considered as something, one more column. So this I think up to here, whatever I've explained, everything clear on this, I believe. Okay. So once user click on continue, sir, what about the confirm password? I think you people are having some doubt. Guys, this confirm password is not at all going to be storing into the databases. Because if this, when what is the benefit to save the same password into the DB? It's a waste of memory, no? Then you might be have a doubt, sir, why they are asking repassword? Hey, repassword is for a user confirmation, like whether he was giving a proper. I mean, I remember. I mean, what I can say, yeah, whatever the password, the first password he given, at least he can able to recall that password or not. Okay, that's the reason, guys. They will ask ask you to enter the reset password. I mean, re-enter the password. But in real time, your re-entered passwords will want to be saving to the databases. Okay. Guys, the green colors ones are clear, everyone. Why they are called as rows and why they are called the columns. Metadata are called as columns, and every user details are every user entry. Every user entry we have to call as a row. Row or sometimes you can use the word something tuple also. Tuple also. So don't panic. The words are same. Row or tuple will be the same terms. You can call it as a row or you can call it as a tuple. Now, yesterday I explained, guys, yesterday I explained representing this data. Yeah, representing this data in a table. Yeah, we have to represent this data in a tabular format. This is exactly what is your table. This is exactly what is your table. And this table now has 3 columns with, 2 rows, guys. And we can give a name for this table also. And the table name, guys, we can say something, customers. Because you and me, we are all customers, right? So this is something, a table name. And one more very important note, when you're giving the table name, don't give singular names, guys, like order, customer, employee, student. You should not give a name, in singular format because it is going to be storing multiple rows. So always you have to give your table name, kind of plural, guys, this way. I hope whatever I have explained here, everyone aligned and clear, guys. Can I get some thumbs up symbols? Whatever I have explained so far. Guys, yeah, I can see only 21 out of 97. Okay, nice, nice. Yeah, can you just thumbs up symbol? Yes, yeah, on chat. Yeah, I can see everyone chat. Okay, nice. I could see some heart symbols also. Okay, nice. So whatever I've explained so far, this is, I have explained step by step in the same pain diagram. Maybe I'll scroll down and I can show you this, better way. So if you just scroll down, this is what I was talking about, guys. If you fill this data at backend, a table will be created this way. My bad. I created repassword. I should not create. Sorry. Okay. So these are called columns. Nothing but name, mobile number, password, repassword, all the columns. And once you fill the data, okay, once you fill the data and if you hit enter, the data will be stored into this table, guys. So this is what I was talking about. Let's say the name is Rakesh and you're given some password and your password, your confirm password, if you give it, this is the way, the data will be saved into the database. My bad. I think the last column I have to delete it. That's okay. Okay. Because I have already explained the summary of this. There's old notes. Okay. Yeah. I think up to here clear, everyone. Do you have any doubts, guys, up to here by looking this? Do you have any doubts? What is table and what is row? What is column? All good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 second. My battery about to dry. I'll change the plug. Yeah, sorry. Okay. Now, yeah, let's come into your Amazon. Is Amazon store only? I mean, do you really think that Amazon store only customers details? Guys, do you really think
No,
that
sir. Employees details also.
No, sir.
No.
employee? I mean, in which context you
Their
are telling?
preferences also.
Product
Hmm.
details.
Yes, yes. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, let's talk about this. Guys, I'll repeat some table names with use cases. You have to repeat me in the same order, please. Okay. Yeah. Now, during day one, you will create an account with very basic details, right? Name, mobile number. That's it, right? And once you start, you know, browsing the things, some other tables also will come into the picture that all are related to customers only. Only customers only. I'll tell you now what are the tables. Second table is customer addresses. Right, guys, you may order the Amazon items with multiple orders addresses, right? So there's a one more table called addresses, right? Again, just imagine there's a one more table is created addresses, and addresses table has again some columns, right? And for your entry, yeah, you may have 5 addresses or 10 addresses. I hope you're clear, right? There's a one more table you can imagine addresses. Now, when you're doing the payment, again, it's related to customer, right? Customer payments, customer payment modes. You may did the payment through UPI or net banking or debit card, debit card. Everything will be stored into the Amazon, correct? So there's a one more table you can imagine, the payment modes, customer payment modes. There you can see something, all the payment mode types that whatever, you use, right? So the first one is addresses, and the second is something, payments. And yeah, if any KYCs are there, yeah, that is also will be stored into one more table. So these are all customer related, correct? These are all customer related. I hope everyone clear. Customer related tables. Make sense? Make sense?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's talk about vendor perspection, guys. A vendor is nothing but, let's say I have a shoe company myself. I have a shoe company and I have to sell my shoes through Amazon platform. Then the Amazon definitely will give a dashboard to me, and there I can upload my shoe products, and then I can retrieve, then I can update, and they can delete. Correct? This is what you understood. And here, let's talk about a vendor's perspective. Vendor is nothing but what Chanti, right? Again, there's a one more table you can imagine vendors, right? Vendor is a one table which consists vendor basic details. Again, you can see vendor addresses, right? Okay, and one more table you can see vendor contacts, right? And you can see vendor branches, right? Like that, you can see the tables related to the vendors again. Yeah, vendor will also some tables will be there. So far I explained customer related tables, vendor related tables. Now let's talk about product, guys. Product. Now, if we talk about a product, let's take one product, guys. iPhone. Okay, iPhone 16. Like not only iPhone, you can imagine multiple, the mobiles, guys. All mobiles will be saved in a table called something, products. So product is a one table, and every product has offers, right? So offers is also one more table. Products is a table one. Offers is a one more table. And when user click on the product into the cart, one more table is created. The table name is something, cart. And once you proceed to payment, then that item will be moved into the orders table. And once the order is about to place, then you'll be doing the payment, right? Then there's a one more table called something, transaction. In the transaction table, everything will be saved. Now, guys, let me give you on a high level what I explained so far. I explained customer related tables, vendor related tables, products related tables, right? I explained, I mean, maybe if you forgot, but this is what on high level explained so far. Okay. Guys, tell me, if you have 10 books, 4 laptops, okay, 10 books, 4 laptops, and 10 pair of shoes. Will you mix everything in a single bag, or will you keep 3 bags separately? Answer me quick.
3 bags separate.
Nice.
3
Similarly,
bags.
I explained so far vendor related tables, okay, and then customer related tables and product related tables. Sir, are we, creating all the tables in a single database server? No. That's the reason, guys. Like as you said, now bag, right? Okay, as you said, no, just no bag, right? Bag holds multiple laptops, correct? Similarly, if you want to club few tables and if you want to group them into a single entity, that's called as something database server. That's called as something database server. So I'm talking about the next thing. That is something what is database server. It's like a bag you can imagine. So guys, I was talking about this one. See, a customer related tables are what I just now explained, right? Customers, addresses, and payment modes. These are all three tables, and these three tables you can club. Okay, you can club and you can create a new database. Database now you can see something customer database. It's like a bag. The first bag. Guys, this is the first bag. Customer database is the first bag, and there I'm storing customers, addresses, and payments only. Now one more database I will create it. Database is something prod. Okay, but nothing but a products database. And here guys, I'm storing products and their offers and their orders. Okay, only this kind of information I'll be saving, in product. Guys, just imagine it's like a bag. So this is a one bag one, and this is a bag two. And in this bag, we are storing only laptops, and in this bag, we are storing something, clocks. So just simply, we segregate it. And I want to highlight you one more thing. I hope you are able to see a symbol called open tube symbol. Are able to see open tube symbol in orange color? Open tube.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That is a pictorial representation of a database. Okay. Now, guys, by looking this diagram, can I say a database is a collection of tables? Can I say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Simply a bag is a collection of laptops, right? That's the context I was talking. Okay, a database is a collection of database servers. Okay. Now, just imagine that you have a small three bags. You have a small three bags. Okay, now one bag you're storing laptops, one more bag, you're storing pairs of clothes, and one more bag, you're keeping some books. Okay. Now, when you're traveling, everything also again you can wrap into one big cover or a big box, and you can ship it, correct? When you are moving from X place to something Y place, so you will pack all those three bags, correct, in a single bag. That's where I was talking about something, database server. Database server is nothing but what it can do here is it club your databases. It club your databases, guys. Now that's what I was showing you in this diagram, guys. See, this is I was talking about. Now, guys, we'll go step by step. Hope you are clear what is table. Right? A table is a collection of rows and columns. Now, if we collect multiple tables which are related, which are interrelated, I'll repeat. If we group multiple tables which are interrelated, then that's called as database. So a database is a collection of interrelated tables. A database is a collection of interrelated tables. Similarly, and now I'm talking about something database server. A database server is nothing but collection of databases, guys. Collection of databases is called as something database server. And I hope you can able to see a cubic symbol in green color, right? A cubic symbol you can see, right?
Yes,
This is a pictorial representation of a database server, guys. So is all good, guys, so far whatever I've explained? Do you have any questions for me up to here? Guys,
No.
you can feel free to stop me, and if you're not clear, please let me know, because this is a very fundamental session. Don't surprise me after 2 to 3 days. Sir, what is database? What is table? What is database? You're not supposed to surprise. All good?
Yes, sir.
Can I?
yes,
Okay.
sir.
Nice. Okay, so far you understood what is table, what is database, and what is database server. Now, sir, I have to install this database server in my machine now. I have to install it. Right. That's what we did in first 30 minutes. Am I clear? Guys, am I clear? What we
Yes,
did in
sir.
first 30 minutes? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
in my laptop, what is that? Hey, what I have installed? I'm asking
Oracle.
Crash.
Oracle
No.
10.
Now Oracle is a one database server. Understood?
Sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now maybe you can ask, sir, if it is Oracle database server, what is MySQL? What is Postgres? Okay, and what is SQL? I'll come to that questions again, okay? But yeah, stick on few things. Whatever we installed in our machine today, that's Oracle database server that I have installed. Okay. Now you just now learn a database server is a collection of
Databases.
now tell me, is during installation of Oracle, are they given any default databases to us? Are they given any default databases to us?
No.
Oh, you are very confident, man. But answer is no. Your answer is wrong. During installation of Oracle database server, they given two default databases, buddy. One is system, second is sys. Yeah, hope you're able to recall. Right? Yeah, they are all admin databases. Right? So, sir, can I use that admin databases? No, you're not supposed to use that admin database system and sys. You have to create your own database, guys. Okay. Once your installation is done, you'll get two default databases, but you're not supposed to use it. You have to create your own databases. You have to create your own databases like this, guys. Sir, how databases will be created, everything, yeah, I'll be discussing in the next session only. Okay. But yeah, but I can explain you right away. No worry. Okay, I can explain you right away. Maybe let me complete it. Guys, again, on high level, I was explaining. We have done the Oracle database server installation. That's a point number one. Okay. And version also 10. As I explained, it's very old. Okay. But it's not impact you on practicing or anything. Okay. So Oracle 10G, it's a one database server that we inside. Oracle is the name of the database server. Guys, it's a database server. The version is 10G and it's a software name, Oracle software. So after installation, during installation, you remember, they given two default database server. One is sys and one more is system, and you're not supposed to use it. And the second step, what you need to do, you have to create your own database. You have to create your own database. Sir, how? I'll show you now. And once you create a database, will it be empty or will it already have a tables? Yes. If we create a fresh database,
Empty.
right? Nice. Right. So if it is definitely, it will be in an empty. Now you have to create your own table. You have to create your own tables. Right. So guys, I think you understood it. What you need to do. Your installation was done. That is step one. And step two is you have to create your own database. And step three is you have to create your own tables, guys. Like how many tables you need it? How many tables you need it? You'll start creating this table. Is everything clear so far what I've explained? Step 1, 2, 3? If
Yes,
not,
sir.
please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Okay, I think if you're clear so far, then I'm good to explain you this. Now, yeah, I'll show you guys how to create a database right away. You can also practice it for tomorrow. Okay. Now what you do is click on start button. Just click on start button. Please don't ask me what is start button, but yeah, in your keyboard, you have a Windows button. Just click on the Windows button and just to type run space SQL, guys. Run space SQL. If it is difficult to you, yeah, I got the software actually. If it is difficult and if it is not found for you, what you do now? Again, click on start button. Again, click on start button. And here, can you see all? I hope everyone can see all. Okay. Click on that all. Okay. If you click on all, you can see the application which are installed in your machine. The application which are installed in your machine, you can see, right? A, B, C. Now install Oracle, no? Scroll down with O letter, guys, you can see the softwares. Okay. Yeah. Here, guys, if you maximize it, you can see this. You can see this. And here, guys, yeah, this is the window. I'm sure everyone can see this. In this window, I want to summarize two things. That window definitely will go. Let me try it again. Let me try this again, the window. Click on start, click on all, and you can type any letter. You can hit on any letter, A or B or C, and type a O letter. So you'll be landing here. Now here is what I was discussing. From bottom to third, This is your Oracle software. And this Oracle software you can use in two modes. This Oracle software you can use in two modes, command user interface mode and graphical user interface mode. Make a note, command user interface mode and graphical interface mode. This everything I'll give you notes, no worries. Okay. Command user interface mode, graphical user interface mode. Command user interface mode, nothing but through commands only, guys, everything you have to do it. And graphical user interface is nothing but without commands you can do it. So from top to third option is there now. From top to third option, go to data. This is your GUI, and I'll be not explaining this. Maybe after 1 week, we'll be going to this GUI mode. And from bottom to third, it's your command user interface mode, guys. Okay. So we'll be practicing it around 70% of our queries will be practicing through command user interface mode only. Okay. So let me click on this run SQL command line. Run SQL command line. Guys, you can see this window when you click on this. And here you can see the versions. Yeah, it's Oracle 10.2 only. Okay, Oracle 10.2 only. Yeah, now the installation was done successfully. Now, guys, as I just now explained, we have done the Oracle installation, but what are the default databases they given?
System.
System.
Nice. And for which user that you logged in? With which user you logged in?
System.
System.
Okay. Here also, you have to do the same, but through commands. Yes, here also you have to log in with the system account, but you have to do with the command. Type the first command connect. Type the first command connect. Okay, connect and hit enter. As soon as you hit enter this, it will ask you, hey, what is your username? Give your username is system. Give your username is system. Everything is small and hit enter. Immediately, guys, it will asking the password. Guys, tell me what is the password I given.
Root.
If you type the letters, guys, it won't visible. Okay, but type it. It won't visible to you for security purpose. Okay, just type ROOT and hit enter. Immediately, you'll get a message connected. You know what you did? You logged into admin account now. You logged in into admin account. Sir, why? If you want to create your own database, you should always log in with the admin account. I'll repeat. If you want to create your own database, always you have to log in with the admin account. So we're done with the admin account login, guys. Now it's time to create our own account. It's time to create your own account. Now I'm writing some command. As it is, you have to do it. As it is, you have to do it. So create. I'm creating a new user. Username is Chanti. Okay. And yeah, it should be identified by a password called something, Apple. Hey, here in this context, if you see, that's in this context, if you see, Chanti is the DB name. Okay. Chanti is a new DB name that I'm creating. Okay. So when you pass this command, guys, one DB is created like this. One empty DB created, guys, like this. And the DB name is Chanti. And this is a password, guys. Okay, you can give anything, but I given a password is Apple. Okay, so yeah, remaining command as it is, you have to give it create user. Username is Chanti, and it should always identified by a password called Apple. As it is, you have to type it. Okay, and once you pass this command, if you enter, you'll get a message something this your user is created. Okay, nothing but one database is created. Admin database is there. As I told you, you should not touch the database. But sir, in real time, are we really giving this database name like this? No. No, we will giving the database name, guys, something. Let's say if you're working for Paytm, okay, if you're working for Paytm, you should give the database name like that, like this, guys. Okay, like this you have to give it. Paytm D, Paytm Dev T. And if you're working for a Book My Show, okay, yeah, you will give it with your DB name like this, Book My Show DB. Or if it is lengthy, yeah, you can give something, BMS. Like this, guys, we can give the database name generally. Now I created two databases. The first one is dummy, but second is project perspection. We use databases with this name only. Let's say if you're working for Amazon, yeah, your username should be, Amazon here. Okay. So the first step we created done, that is something, we created a database. Since we created a database, you should now have all the access, guys, for it. Since you, sir, I'm not getting the notes. I want notes. Hey guys, if you want to get notes and everything, please check with Soumya ma'am. Okay, she'll give a Google Drive link to you. There you can see everything. Okay, yeah, guys, come back. Let me finish this. Now we created a databases. That doesn't mean that you have all access. You have all access. If you get the access, yeah, this is a command. This you have to as it is deliver it. Grant database administrator permission to Chanti account. Again, grant DBA to Book My Show. Book My Show. So we are giving the permission to both the databases. Now permission nothing but read and write. Permission nothing but read and write. Okay. So we are granting all the read and write permission to these both the databases now. Guys, only 2 steps and you're done. Now you're done. You have created your own 2 databases. Sir, how do I log in into the database now? Same command. The first command is there now. The first command to log in into the admin. Same command you have to type it. Connect. Now give your DB name. Okay. And give the password Apple. Okay. And hit enter. Now guys, you are in Chanti DB. Now you know you're Chanti DB. Sir, I don't want to go Chanti. Okay. I want to shift to Book My Show. Then connect. Just type connect and enter. Yeah, give the database name is Book My Show and give the password something, the password that you've given it. Hit enter. Now, guys, you will be in Book My Show database. So far, whatever I explained, we just created our own empty databases. The first database name is Chanti, second database name is Book My Show. And guys, in tomorrow's session, I'll be deep diving to you. What is Oracle? What is MySQL? What is SQL? Everything I'll be deep diving to from tomorrow. But please finish the installation process today and try to create these dummy databases in your laptop just for practicing purpose. Okay. So that's all for today. Do you have any questions for me? Okay.
No,
No.
sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Thanks, guys. Bye, everyone. Good night.